Hello students, this is the second tutorial of Digital Electronics Lab, and in this tutorial I will be explaining about universal gates. As you know that NAND and NOR gate, these two gates are called universal gates because any other logic gates can be represented or designed by these two gates. As I have written here that NAND to NOT. We know that the equation of NAND gate is y is equal to a dot b bar and the equation of NOT gate is y equal to a bar. So I have to convert this from this. So see the truth table. NAND gate gives 0 0 output 1 1 1 output 0. We have to take these two conditions to construct a NOT gate. Now if I short circuit the two inputs, then the input becomes only one terminal. So we have only one input now and one output. So if A is equal to 0, that 0 applies in the both of the terminals of both of the input terminals, and for 0 input NAND gate gives one output. So for 0 input we are getting one output, and if A is equal to 1, then 1 is applied to both of the input terminal, and for 1 NAND gate gives 0 output for both 1. Now we are getting 0 input 1 output and 1 input 0 output. This is the characteristics of NOT gate. So NOT gate is represented by a NAND gate only. Now AND gate, NAND gate to AND gate. We know that the NAND, if this is the construction of NAND gate, suppose we have an AND gate here and we have a NOT gate here. A, B. Now it is AND gate, we are getting A dot B, and this is a NOT gate. So for NOT gate we are getting A dot, sorry, this is only A dot B. This will be A dot B bar. So it is a equation of NAND gate. Now how to get NAND gate from how to get AND gate from NAND gate? If I apply one NOT gate here, then I can write that this will be A dot B bar double bar. So A dot B double bar means A dot B. It is the equation of AND gate. Same logic has been applied here. One NAND gate, one this portion NAND gate, and after that one AND gate, NOT gate. So we are getting the logic of AND gate. And in truth table, see the output is exactly complement of the NAND gate. These are 0 and only 1 1, it is 1. Now tell me that we have constructed a NAND gate here using basic gates. We have constructed here NAND gate using basic gates. So why we are calling NAND gate as universal gate? Because NAND gate can be constructed by basic gate also. So why NAND gate is called universal gate? The answer is we have used here two different types of gates. That is why one AND gate and NOT gate cannot be called universal gate, because two different kinds of gates has been used. But here we have used only NAND gates. That is why it is called universal gate. That similar kind of gate can be used to design all other gates. Now it is next is OR gate. From this equation we have to get A plus B, and this is the construction. These are the truth tables and this is the equation. See, from De Morgan's theorem I can explain the equation. Here we have A is applied to both of the terminals, B is applied to both of these terminals. Now we are getting here A bar, we are getting here A bar, and this will be B bar. A bar and B bar. Now A bar and B bar applied to this gate, so the final equation will be A bar dot B bar whole bar. This will be the final equation. Now A bar dot B bar whole bar is, now what is De Morgan's theorem? De Morgan's theorem tells that A dot B bar can be written as A bar plus B bar. So I have written here A double bar plus B double bar from this equation. So A double bar means A, it is A plus B, so I is equal to A plus B. That is the logic of OR gate. Now NAND to XOR, this is the construction and this is the truth tables. And one more thing, it is very important to point out all these pin numbers when you are constructing the circuit practically, because if I have not pin numbers, I cannot construct the circuit. As we know from the previous lesson that each and every IC contains 4 gates inside. See, this is NAND gate 7400. It has 4 gates inside, so I can use only one gate to construct NOT gate, 2 gates to construct AND gate, 3 gates to construct OR gate, and all these 4 gates inside the IC to construct an XOR gate. So these are the pin numbers. We have to connect the circuit according to these pin numbers, and pin number 7 and 14 will be ground and VCC. So these are the pin numbers. See, pin number 1, 2, 3, this is the first gate 1, 2, 3, and this is 4, 5, 6 the second gate, this is the third gate 9, 10, 11 output, and this is fourth gate 12, 13 and 11 output. So finally we will be getting the output from 11, and this is the equation of XOR gate. This is De Morgan's theorem, you know that. De Morgan's theorem tells that A dot B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So the final equation is A dot B bar whole bar. Okay, I'm starting from this point. See, it is A, B. So at this gate, the first gate, in the first gate A and B applied, so the equation, the output equation will be A dot B bar because it is NAND gate. Now A is coming to this gate, the input of this gate also, and B is coming to input of the third gate. So, and the second input of these two gates will be A dot B bar. So the equation will be A dot B bar whole bar, B dot A dot B bar whole bar, and the final equation will be getting at this point will be A dot B bar whole bar dot B dot A dot B bar whole bar, and we are getting another bar also for the NAND gate. And from De Morgan's theorem we can write this theorem only. We have applied this theorem only. This theorem. A dot B bar plus B dot A dot B bar. See, I have assumed here that A is A and A dot B bar is equal to B. Here B is A and A dot B bar equal to no, this is A dot B bar whole bar is A and B dot A dot B bar whole bar is B. So we can have this type of equation, then A dot B bar plus B dot A dot B bar, and as we know and here we have applied De Morgan's theorem again. A dot B bar can be written A bar plus B bar. So A dot B bar has been written as A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B bar. And A dot A bar and B dot B bar, I have written 0 here because any number multiplied by its complement is that becomes 0 in digital electronics. A dot A bar 0 and B dot B bar 0. So we are getting A B bar plus A bar B. This is the equation of XOR gate, and XOR symbol of XOR is like this, plus sign under the inside the circle. A XOR B. This is the construction of XOR gate using NAND gate. So this is all about this lesson, and tell me if you have any problem. Thank you. And now the circuit has been connected. First circuit is NOT gate. NOT gate. So the NAND gate has been connected as NOT gate. Let me switch on the kit and see. Here I have only one input. If the input is 0, output is 1. When the input goes high, output is low. So this is a characteristics of NOT gate. This circuit has been connected as AND gate. See, in AND gate we have connected two NAND gates. So we have connected two NAND gates, and here we have two input also, as the AND gate has two input. So switch on. See, 0 0 condition, input 0 0, output is 0. 0 1, output is 0. 1 0, output is 0. 1 1, output is 1. So this is the characteristics of, or the truth table of AND gate. When both the input is 1, output is 1. Rest of all condition, output is 0. Now this has been connected as OR gate. As you can see, in OR gate we are connecting 3 NAND gates. So 3 NAND gates have been connected, and see the output has been taken from pin number 8. Pin number 8, the third NAND gate. Third NAND gate. So switch on the kit. Now in OR gate, if the input is 0 0, then output is 0, and rest of all condition, output will be 1. So 0 1, output is 1. Output is 1. 1 0, output is 1, and 1 1, output is 1. So this is OR gate. This circuit has been connected as XOR gate. And see here, see I have done one mistake here. That previously I have written this point 11. So this output will be pin number 8, 9, 10, 8, as the construction of IC is when 9, 10 is input, 8 is output. So the output pin will be 8 here and 11 here. So pin number 6 to 12 will be short circuited, and 8 to 13 will be short circuited. So this is the circuit. Switching on. See, for XOR gate, similar inputs will be getting 0 output, and dissimilar inputs will be getting 1 output. So similar inputs like 0 0 and 1 1, in this condition the output will be 0. So 0 0, output is 0. 0 1, output is 1. 1 0, output is 0. 1 1, output is 0. So XOR gate is verified. And this was all about universal gate, that is only NAND gate. And you can design NOR gate also. You can design all these basic gates using NOR gate also. I have not shown you the construction of NOR gate using NAND gate, because if you apply one NOT gate here at the end of OR gate, you can have NOR gate also using NAND gate. I have not shown that. So this was it. If you have any problem, ask me. Thank you.